for one fall with a 15-minute time limit. About to enter the arena from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, weighing 227 pounds. He is the two-time Emmy Award winner and current World Wrestling Federation Intercontinental Champion, Owen Hart.
Oh my, this place is rocking. Kevin, I can hardly hear myself think. It's unbelievable.
Finkel's ring announce was almost as long as Clinton's inauguration address.
Listen to this crowd. There he is, Owen Hart with the Canadian flag, the current Intercontinental Champion. But I'll tell you what, even though he's in his own backyard, he has his work cut out for him this week on Shotgun. He's going to take on Mick Foley's alter ego, Mankind.
You know, the war between the United States and Canada certainly is spirited, but this is a treat. These fans are loving Owen Hart.
His opponent, weighing 287 pounds, Mankind.
Oh boy, I'll tell you what, Mankind has been very vocal this week. Let's take you back to comments recorded earlier.
Owen Hart is going to be very lucky because although he will take a beating, I'm a little bit preoccupied thinking about the face of Hunter Hearst Helmsley inside a 15-foot-high steel cage.
Wow. I'll tell you, I don't think Hunter Hearst Helmsley wants any part of Mankind in that cage match. It's the first time that Helmsley in his career goes within the steel cage walls, and he's going to have to face a veteran of fights just like that. Mankind, certainly a much darker figure than we've seen Mankind take in the form of Dude Love lately, Michael.
That's next week at SummerSlam, and notice Mankind did not carry the Tag Team Championship belt into the ring because, of course,
He's not the tag team champion.
Dude Love it.
Listen to this crowd. I don't think Mankind could care less what part of the world he's in when he's having to face somebody who's charged up in front of the hometown folks, if you will, in Owen Hart.
Sometimes I wonder if Mankind ever knows where he is. He's in his own world, Mankind world. Owen Hart, by the way, next week at SummerSlam has a huge matchup against Stone Cold Steve Austin for the Intercontinental Championship. And I'll tell you what, Austin says if he doesn't take the title away from Owen, he will kiss Owen's backside.
And I've got a feeling that Stone Cold Steve Austin is going to be charged up and ready to go in that one.
Can you imagine if Stone Cold actually has to live up to that stipulation if he indeed loses to Owen Hart? That's got to be perhaps the most embarrassing thing Stone Cold is ever going to do.
And I've got a feeling Owen Hart's going to do everything he can to hold on to that Intercontinental title.
Look at this.
Great series of moves and counter moves by both men. Owen Hart controlling things with the left arm.
Also, another member of the Hart Foundation, the British Bulldog, puts the European Championship on the line against the world's most dangerous man, Ken Shamrock, who, by the way, Kevin, was defeated for the first time in the WWF last week by Vader on Raw.
Well, put the British Bulldog in that as well. He was not pinned. It was a count-out loss, but I'm sure embarrassing for the world's most dangerous man nonetheless. And I got a feeling he's going to be looking to take out his frustrations with the European title on the line against the British Bulldog.
You know what? If Shamrock wins that match, the Bulldog is going to have to eat dog food in the middle of the ring. Can you imagine?
Well, it might be better than Diana's cooking. I don't know.
No. I heard Diana's a great cook.
Mrs. Calgary.
That's right, Miss Calgary, 1997. Here we go now. Mankind working on Owen Hart. Don't forget Mankind's alter ego, Dude Love, will be defending the Tag Team Championship along with Stone Cold. Nice takedown by Mankind against the Godwins.
Boy, you even think about touching a Canadian, you're going to get booed out of the building.
There we go. Cover now. 2. Almost 3 before Owen pops out. Listen to this crowd. Mankind now working on Owen Hart. This is a non-title matchup. Of course, Owen, the current Intercontinental Champion, as Mankind tosses Owen out of the ring.
You know, Owen's got this date coming up with Stone Cold. He could take quite a bit of punishment here against Mankind this week on Shotgun. I wonder if that'll influence things at SummerSlam.
Oh, my. Mankind blocking himself from going into the steps. Oh, there we go.
Bang, bang.
Owen Hart banged him with the right hand to the side of the head. There we go again. This match is getting out of control. What's going to happen as Owen Hart tosses Mankind back into the ring? We'll see when Shotgun continues.
SummerSlam. The man from the dark side possesses the gold, but this angry hitman is hell-bent on reclaiming it. SummerSlam. The reigning Intercontinental Champion got the 1, 2, 3 in the 10-man tag. But the bottom line is a promise this Stone Cold Killer intends to keep. WWF SummerSlam, Heart and Soul.
Welcome back to Shotgun. Oh my, Owen Hart with a big drop kick off the top rope, hitting Mankind. Don't forget, SummerSlam just a week away at the Continental Airlines Arena. Tell you what, the main event, Bret Hart against The Undertaker for the championship. If Bret loses, he's out of here. He can never wrestle in the United States again.
Folks from 28 different states and 4 countries as of now joining us. Folks all the way as far as California, Colorado. Of course, the great fans in New Jersey joining us. Oh! Spinning heel kick from Owen Hart. Here's the cover. 2.
Almost 3. Mankind kicks out.
And of course, we've got fans joining us from the great country of Canada, Germany, Australia, and New Zealand.
Australia and New Zealand coming all the way over to New Jersey to see SummerSlam?
Great World Wrestling Federation fans, we truly are worldwide. It is going to be incredible. Just 1 week away. As you said, tickets are just about gone, Michael.
Mankind now with the right hand to Owen Hart. Both of these gentlemen will be in action at SummerSlam. It's going to be an unbelievable event. This has been an unbelievable match. What a takedown. Belly to belly from Owen Hart. Owen Hart says this could be it. He's going up to the top rope.
Owen taking a few seconds to celebrate with the crowd. I wonder if that could be too much time.
Here's Owen off the top rope. Oh! Mankind with a boots to the midsection. Owen in trouble. You were right. Took a little too much time there.
That's perhaps the disadvantage of being in front of the home folks. He's probably got some family members here with him as well.
Owen Hart now into the turnbuckle, but he caught Mankind with a big boot. Owen now up on the second rope. Here he comes. Mankind caught him with a claw again. Mankind with a mandible claw. Oh no!
Hunter Hearst Helmsley.
Look out! Hunter Hearst Helmsley is up on the ring apron. Mankind misses with the right hand. Hunter's got Mankind. Almost a mistake there, but Mankind now gets the claw on Hunter Hearst Helmsley.
He's got it! He's got it!
And there's Chyna on the outside of the ring. She's up on the apron. Owen Hart, though, saves Triple H. The bell rings. This match is over. This could get out of control. Triple H and Owen Hart destroying Mankind in the center of the ring.
Helmsley wants to try. Oh, come on. That's going to cost Helmsley a couple of bucks. This shows me that Helmsley wants nothing to do with Mankind in the cage. He's going to put the pedigree on him and finish it before the cage is even built.
Pedigree from Hunter Hearst Helmsley. Mankind, he could be out cold in the middle of the ring. Look out now. Owen Hart setting up Mankind for the sharpshooter. He needs some help. Mankind needs some help or he might not be able to wrestle at SummerSlam. Oh my, what's going to happen?
Hey, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
What's he doing?
And look at Helmsley. Helmsley and Chyna are leaving.
What's Stone Cold doing? Mankind's not his partner. Owen doesn't see him. Oh no, the stunner. Stone Cold hit Owen Hart with the stunner.
This has nothing to do with Mankind. This has to do with that Intercontinental title that Stone Cold's got in his hands.
Stone Cold with the Intercontinental belt screaming at Owen Hart, saying next week at SummerSlam, I'm taking the belt away from you, fair and square.
Next Sunday at SummerSlam, could Stone Cold become the Intercontinental Champion?
Unbelievable show this week. Don't forget, this week on Raw, we'll have the results of that closed-door meeting between Bret and WWF officials. For Kevin Kelly, I'm Michael Cole. Thanks for joining us. Have a great week, everybody.